What's up guys, in this video I'll be showing you exactly how you can create a crossplay server to play with your friends on Bedrock and Java in the same world, all without paying a single dime. So what we're going to want to do is head over to Aternos, which is a Minecraft server hosting site where you can host your servers for completely free. Now scroll down and click play now. If you don't have an account, you can sign up or sign in with Google. Once here, all we have to do is click create a server. And here we can customize the server name as well as the description. So I'll change the name and click save. And then the description, you can change the color, you can change the text, and there we go. Here is where you can choose between Bedrock Edition and Java Edition. If you are the one playing on Java Edition, you should obviously host a server on Java Edition. If your friend is playing on Bedrock Edition and they're the ones hosting the server, then they should probably start it on Bedrock Edition. For this tutorial, I'm going to be going with Java Edition. So now we can create our server. Once we're at the server page, we're going to have to change our server software. To do that, go under software and go over here where it says change. And we're going to be changing our server from vanilla to spigot/bucket. So click here and then click on the latest release of Minecraft, or if you want to run your server in a different version, you would select that version here. But at the time of recording, this version is 1.20.4. Ideally, it will work for all versions of Minecraft. So then click on your version number. And you may get a lot of ads here. Make sure you click out of those, but that's how Aternos is able to run for free. So once we're here, go up here and just click install. And once you see this check mark, we can move on. We're going to go to the plugins tab over here. Now we're going to add the plugin that will allow us to play cross-platform between Java and Bedrock Edition. Come up to the search bar and search for Geyser, and that's spelled G-E-Y-S-E-R, and click enter. And we're going to want to download what's called GeyserMC. So click on this, make sure it's the correct version as your server, and then just click download. And once again, you can move on once you see the check mark over here. Let's head back over to our server page. Now we can start up our server. So to do that, just click start. Accept the EULA, and now our server is starting up. It will take some time, so you can use this time here to launch up Minecraft. It is important to note, while the server is free, the server will only be running when there is a player online. So you'll either have to have a player AFK on the server, or make sure that you launch the server each time you want to play. So now you can see our server is up and running, and it has this countdown timer here. So make sure you join your world before this timer gets to 0, otherwise the server will close down as no one is playing it. I'm going to head over to Minecraft Java, as that is the edition that I originally created the server in. And I'm going to go to multiplayer, and then click on add server. And here in server address, we're going to have to come back to this page, click on connect, and then we're just going to copy this IP. So I'm going to highlight it, right click and click copy, and then head back over to Minecraft and just paste it in this server address bar, and then click done. If you get this error message, connect to your server address and then colon and then some number. That is because you need to connect to a certain port on the Aternos server to actually join your Minecraft server. So remember your number here, and then make sure that this server is highlighted and click edit. Now here we're going to add a colon and then the port number that it gave, which in my case was 46477. Another way to remember this port number is to head back over to the Aternos site, and when you click connect, it'll show you that same port number here. Once we have this information in, just click done. Click on the server and click a refresh. And now you can see the server is here exactly as we set it up. So click on the server and click join server. Now here I am in the Aternos server. Let's see if I can get my friend who's playing on Bedrock to join the same server. I'm now on my friend's Minecraft Bedrock Edition. Once we're here, all you need to do is click play, head over to the servers tab, scroll all the way down and click add server. Now here once again, we can just put in our server address and then the port number that it gave us that I told you how to find earlier, which in my case is 46477. And then you'll have to name your server, and once all of these boxes are filled out, click play. And here we go. You can see that my friend and I are now both in the same world, even though one of us is playing on Java Edition and the other is playing on Bedrock. If you find that this server is too slow for you, then there are some paid options. I will have linked in the description. One of them is called Apex Hosting, which is the most popular Minecraft hosting site. You can have a much faster realm. I'll have it pinned above right now. If this worked for you and your friends, please leave a like and subscribe, as it would really help me out. Leave a comment if this didn't work, and I'll try to get back to you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video.